In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn how to perform proteome comparison using the BV-BRC platform. We can compare protein similarity at the genome level between bacteria, allowing us to evaluate how closely related different bacterial strains or species are based on their proteomes. Under the Tools and Services tab, select the Proteome Comparison option. Provide the output folder and output file name. Select the reference genome, and you may add up to 9 genomes for comparison. Click Submit once you are ready. You may view the output in the Jobs tab. Select the output file and click the eye icon to view the result. Percentage similarity is shown using colors, where blue indicates the highest similarity and red indicates lower similarity. A list of tracks is displayed, arranged from the outer ring, track 1, to the inner ring, track 10. The protein bands are interactive. You can click on each band to view its ID. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.